Got a bunch of boring yarn colors you don't know what to do with? Here are 2 super easy ways to mix these colors together to make a fun and unique colorway. Our first color mixing technique is called caking. No, not that kind of cake, unfortunately. I'm talking about yarn cakes. All you need is your yarn winder and 2 or more yarn colors that you want to wind together. Here's how. Take the 2 yarn ends and feed them both through your yarn winder's guide. Pinch them down the thin slit on the yarn holder. Slowly start cranking the lever of your yarn winder. Combining 2 or more yarn strands together will make your ball super thick and bulky, so you might have to make 2 or more cakes. Here's the cake that we ended up with. It's so pretty and the colors create this cute swirly pattern. Maybe we'll turn this into a holiday-themed knit or crochet project? Comment your ideas below! Next, we have double pulling, and triple pulling, and quadruple pulling. You get the idea. This technique basically refers to knitting and crocheting 2 or more yarn strands at the same time. It's handy when you're working with yarn scraps, or if you don't feel like caking your fibers. You can easily add whatever colors you feel like adding as you knit along. Just like caking, working with 2 or more yarn strands will give you a much thicker strand, so perhaps our larger knitting needle or crochet hook will do best. For example, I'm double pulling with these Red Heart 4-ply worsted weight yarns. Normally, I'd use US 8 or 5mm knitting needles for a single pull knitting project. But because it's so thick, I've gone up a few sizes and used US 10 or 6mm knitting needles instead. Well, there you go. Now you have 2 cool new ways to spruce up your yarn. I enjoy using both yarn mixing techniques. It honestly depends on my mood. But which one do you prefer? Do you have other techniques for combining yarn colors? Comment below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Watch the next video on how to cake your yarn like a pro. See you next week!